Hello everyone. So yesterday I finished this 7.1 exercise. So next topic of this coordinate geometry of 10th class, that is 7th chapter in your mathematics textbook. In page number 169, after completion of this exercise 7.1, we have section formula. What is the section formula? No need of the derivation for your examination purpose, but I'll explain a little bit. Okay, consider if it is a Cartesian plane which has x-axis and the y-axis, and in this Cartesian plane A, B are 2 points, and this AB, when you join this AB, this P is the point which gives the partition, which has a partition, and it divides into some ratio. It divides that line which divides into some ratio. Means if when you take one paper, if we want to tear this into 3 parts, how we will do? We will fold these 3 parts into different ratio, right? So it is 1 2 1 1 1. So that is the ratio. Here it is the point PQ which divides AB into partitions, and that we are taking it as ratios, that is M1 M2. M1 is to M2 is the ratio which divides AB with the point P. Okay, let us look at here. Consider any 2 points A, B, and assume that P it divides AB. P it divides AB internally in the ratio of M1 is to M2. We can take it by using of these 2 triangles by when you extend this up to x-axis. Look at here. We are extending these lines to the x-axis, as well as we can extend these lines to the y-axis also. Then we have 2 triangles, that is APQ and PBC. 2 triangles. You just compare these 2 triangles and write the angle similarity criterion. According to this, these 2 triangles are, look at here, these 2 triangles are similar. If these 2 triangles are similar, then we can write this sides of it. Have AP by BP, just like that. AQ by PC, just like that. PQ by PC. We are writing all the corresponding sides of these 2 triangles. Then we will write this values of this AQ, BC, PQ and BC. Then we have 2 ratios in the class. No need of this derivation in your examination purpose. Already I said to you, right? Only for the outline of the section formula, how it comes, right? So finally we get a section formula. I'll explain this in your class. Okay, that is section formula. This is, we have a section formula. By using of this section formula, we will do this all the sums of this exercise, that is 7.2. And also by using of this section formula, if suppose this ratio which becomes 1:1, M1 is equal to 1, M2 is equal to 1, then the formula which is a special case, that is in the place of, look at here, M1 x2 plus M2 x1 by M1 plus M2, M1 y2 plus M2 y1 by M1 plus M2. In the denominator these 2 are same, and here we are taking M1 x2 and M2 x1. Okay, just like that, by years old we are taking, right? In the place of this M1 M2 we are writing this 1 1. So it is special case. Hence the equation which becomes x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. That means the line which divides equally, 1:1 means AB line which divides equally. That's why it is 1:1 ratio. Hence we call it as a midpoint. It is a special case. It is a special case of the section formula. Midpoint formula. It is midpoint formula. This midpoint formula is a special case of the section formula. when the midpoint of this midpoint formula will come, when when the AB line segment which divides in equal ratio, then we will get the midpoint formula of this section formula. Okay, so now I'll explain this example 10. Look at here. By using of these formulas, we are doing this example 10, example 11 and do this. Okay, so look at here, example 10. Find the coordinates of the point which divides the line segment joining the points 4, -3 and 8, 5 in the ratio of 3:1 internally. Okay, 3:1 internally. So P we have to find out. Find the coordinates of the point. Point we have to find out. Let us write the given. Okay, example 10. So given that the points are A 4, -3, B 8, 5. Let us take these values x1, y1, x2, y2, and the ratio internally divides AB is 3:1. That is nothing but m1 is to m2. Okay, P we have to find out. What is P? Let point of coordinates which divides line segment is P of x, 5. So that implies, what is section formula? P of x, y is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2, m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. It is section formula. That implies you just substitute these values from here, right? What is m1? 3 into what is x2? 8 plus what is m2? 1 into what is x1? 4 by m1 plus m2 means 3 plus 1, m1 3 into y2 means 5 plus m2 1 into -3 by 3 plus that implies 8 3s 24 plus 4 by 4, 15 plus of minus 3 ones 3 by 4. That implies 28 by 4, that is 15 minus 3, 12 by 4. After cancellation, what is 7 times? After cancellation, here it is 3 times. That implies 7, 3. That is the answer, and P of xy, the point is 7, 3. Okay. So here, what is 11th question? Example 11. Find the midpoint of the line segment joining the points. Midpoint, what I said to you from the section formula, midpoint is the special case. When it becomes, it gives 1:1 ratio. What is the formula for the midpoint? Here it was x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. It is a special case of section formula when the ratio which becomes 1:1, that is the midpoint. Okay, so it is very easier sum. Example 11. So here given that the points are A 3, 0, B minus 1, 4. Let us take these points as x1, y1, x2, y2. Then midpoint of AB is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. That implies x1 3 plus of minus 1 by 2, 0 plus 4 by 2. That implies square root of that is not a square root bracket. So 3 plus of minus 3 minus 1, 2 by 2, 4 by 2. After cancellation it becomes 1, 2. It is the midpoint of this points. Okay, here we finished this second, that is example 11. Now let's just look after here. In do this page number, in the same page, that is 171 page, do this. The first sum has to do as usual, just like the model of this example 10. You just try to solve this problem by using of this example 10. Okay, and also look at here, the second question in this, do this, find the midpoint of the line segment joining the points. Just like the 11th example, you just do by your own and try to solve it. Okay, and find out the midpoint of the 2 points. Let us next, in the next page we have 171 page. Try this is there. Somehow it is lengthy problem, but it is very playful way we will solve this problem. Okay, so in this, try this. Look at here, what is the question? Let A 4, 2, B 6, 5, 3 points he was given in this, and that are the vertices of a triangle. And first of all, what he want to solve us, right? That is the first question, that is the median from A. Median from A meets BC at D. Find the coordinates of that point D. Find the coordinates. So D is the median, means the midpoint of this BC which gives D, the midpoint of this AC which gives E, the midpoint of this AB which gives F. Okay, first of all we will find out this D, E, F points by using of this midpoint formula. Okay, then after we will do the second one. Okay, so page number 172, try this. So given that the points are A 4, 2, B 6, 5, C 1, 4, and these are the vertices of a triangle ABC. These are the vertices of a triangle, and if the A which gives the median of this BC, that is D. So to find out this point, we will do the midpoint of this BC. Okay, to get the D point, we are doing this midpoint of BC. Okay, so the point D is the midpoint of BC. So that implies midpoint of BC is equal to, what is the formula? x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. What is B? 6, 5. What is C? 1, 4. Let us take these points as usual. Already we did so many problems by using of these coordinates. So 6 plus 1 by 2, 5 plus 4 by 2. That implies it gives 7 by 2, and here it is 9 by 2. It is the midpoint of this D point, that is D. Okay, so let us take the another point, that is midpoint, that is E. So midpoint of AC, which gives, it is first one. In the first sum we are doing the point E is the midpoint of E, midpoint of AC. Okay, so that implies midpoint of AC is nothing but A is 4, 2, C is 1, 4. That implies midpoint formula x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Here we are taking as usual x2, y2. That implies we just substitute these values, 4 plus 1 by 2, 2 plus 4 by 2. That implies that is equal to 5 by 2 and 6 by 2. After cancellation this one, so we got 5 by 2 and 3 is the point of this E. Okay, here D is the point here like this, and E is here. So in third we have to find out, that is from C, when you join this we have F. Okay, the point F is the midpoint of AB. Okay, so midpoint of AB, that implies the points A is 4, 2, B is 6, 5. So let the midpoint formula is x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. So here x1 4 plus 6 by 2. So here 2 plus 5 by 2. Hence by adding of these two, 10 by 2, 7 by 2. After cancellation 5, 7 by 2. It is the point of this F. So we have D, E and F are the midpoints of this AB, that is BC, CD. Okay, CE. Get finished. It is somehow lengthy already, I said to you. So now we entered into the second part of this one. Okay, so find the coordinates of the point P. Find the coordinates of this point P. So on AD, such that AP is to AD is in the ratio of 2 is to 1. We have to find out this P. Okay, so this AP and PD is in the ratio of 2 is to 1. Section formula we have to do. So second. So by checking of the section formula we will do this. Okay, in the second one, that is A is the point, that is 4, 2 already he was given, and D is we already find out here, right? 7 by 2, 9 by 2. That is 7 by 2, 9 by 2. And P we have to find out, right? So that is P of xy, and divides in the ratio of 2 is to 1. That is m1 is to m2. Okay, so P of x, y, section formula. What is section formula? m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2, m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. So that implies, what is m1? 2 into x2. Here we have to write this x1 y1, x2 y2, right? So here x2 is 7 by 2 plus m2 1 into x1 4 by m1 plus m2 means 2 plus 1, m1 2 into what is y2? 9 by 2 plus m1 1 into 2 by 2 plus 1. Here 2 cancel, 2 cancel. That implies 7 plus 4 by 3. Here 9 plus 2. So 1 2 is 2, right? So 9 plus 2 by 3. That implies here 11 by 3. Here 11 by 3. So it is the first point P of xy. So here it is the second question is finished. Third question also we have to check by using of this BE as well as this CF also, just like this one. Okay, so let us check in the third Roman, the first sum, that is BE. Okay, B is, what is B? 6 comma 5. What is E? We already find out here, that is 5 by 2 comma 3. So 5 by 2 comma 3. So P is the ratio, P is the common point which deals with all, right, which deals with, it is common point for AD, for BE and CF. So P is the point which divides in the same ratio, that is 2:1, in the ratio of 2:1. So P of xy is nothing but, already we know that the section formula, that is m2 x1 by m1 plus m2, that is equal to m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2, that is equal to, so m1 means here m1 m2, here x1 y1 x2 y2. Let us take this m1 2 into x2 means 5 by 2 plus m2 means 1 into x1 means 6 by 2 plus 1 comma m1 2 into y2 means 3 plus m2 means 1 into 5 by 2 plus 1. 2 cancelled, 5 plus 1 6 by 3 comma 6 plus 1 5 by 3, that is equal to 11 by 3 by 11 by 3 comma 11 by 3, that is P of x comma y. Here and here we got the same answer. Let us check the CF also. Okay, let us check the CF also. In the same problem, in the third sum itself, second sum. Okay, so C, what is C point? 1 comma 4. This F point is 5 comma 7 by 2. Okay, it implies m1, that is 2 into 5 plus m2 1 into 1 by 2 plus 1, that is 2 into 7 by 2 plus 1 into 4 by 2 plus 1. Here 2 cancelled, that implies 10 plus 1 by 3 comma 7 plus 4 by 3. Okay, that implies 11 by 3 comma 11 by 3. Here all the answers we get is same. Here look after here, P of xy is equal to 11 by 3, 11 by 3. P of xy is equal, here also P of xy is equal to 11 by 3, 11 by 3. Yes, here look after here. So what do you observe? What do you observe? The fourth question is, what do you observe? Up to here we finished. Then fourth question is, what do you observe? Justify the point that divides each median in the ratio of 2:1 is the centroid of a triangle. Is the centroid of a triangle. Yes. Why? Because for all the AD, when you did 2:1 as a ratio, you will have 11 by 3, 11 by 3 as just like that. So BE also you will get 11 by 3, 11 by 3. So P, which acts like a centroid of this triangle. So for ABC triangle, P is the centroid. P is the centroid of a triangle. So what do you notice here? From above, all the points of PXY get same from AD, BE, CF. Hence, P is a centroid of ABC triangle. Okay, triangle ABC. That's it. It is a conclusion for this. Try this. Okay. Now the next topic is centroid of a triangle. So in the centroid of a triangle already you saw here. So that is A, B, C. We have 3 points of it, of this triangle, and this AD, D is the midpoint of this BC, and just like that we are doing this bisectors of this triangle. Bisectors, how, when you take the one triangle like this, if you take the bisectors of these two, you will get one point. Just join that, just like that you will get one point at the mid of this triangle. That is nothing but the centroid. That is nothing but a centroid. For the centroid, we are using the formula that is x1 plus x2 plus x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. It is the formula for this centroid. Okay, by using of this formula we are doing this all sums. Example 12, I'll explain this. Okay, example 12, that is, find the centroid of the triangle whose vertices are, vertices means the corners A, B, C, the vertices of your triangle. Given that the points are A 3 comma minus 5, B minus 7 comma 4, D 10 comma minus 2, x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. Just like that you have to take this one. Okay, so what is the centroid of a triangle is equal to, okay, the coordinates, that is P of xy is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3 comma y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. That implies, so you just substitute all the x coordinates, that is 3 plus of minus 7 plus 10 by 3 comma minus 5 minus plus 4 minus plus of minus 2 by 3. That implies, so 3 minus 7 plus 10 by 3 minus 5 plus 4 minus 2 by 3. That implies 3 plus 10, 13. 13 minus 7 by 3. That is equal to, these two are negative signs, minus 7 plus 4 by 3. That is equal to 10, 13 minus 7. So, okay, 13 minus 7, 6 by 3. That is equal to, so here 3 minus 3 by 3. When you cancel this, 2. When you cancel this one, you will get 2 comma minus 1. It is a centroid of the given triangle. Okay, that is G point. So just like the above, you just do this sum. Okay, do this sum. Okay, here try this in the given sum, page number 173. Try this. So given that the points are 2 comma 3, x comma y, 3 comma minus 2 are the vertices of a triangle. If the centroid of the triangle is origin means 0 comma 0, then we have to find out this xy. Here let us take this point A, B, C, right? But B point is not given, that is xy we have to find out. But final answer of the centroid of the triangle, he was given that origin. Okay, so it is A, B, C. Let us take these values as x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. The centroid of a triangle is origin, that is 0 comma 0. Centroid of a triangle G is equal to 0 comma 0. Hence we will write that in substitution of the formula. The coordinates of centroid is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3 comma y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. So here it is origin 0 comma 0. That implies what is the x coordinates 2 plus x plus 3 by 3 comma 3 plus y plus of minus 2 by 3. So 0 comma 0 is equal to, when you add these two, 5 plus x by 3. So here 3 minus 2, 1 plus y by 3. So we just take the x coordinates equal and y coordinates equal. That implies 5 plus x by 3 is equal to 0. And also 1 plus y by 3 is equal to 0. 5 plus x is equal to 0 into 3. That implies 5 plus x is equal to 0. That implies x is equal to minus 5. Just like this, 1 plus so y is equal to minus, y is equal to 0 into 3, 1 plus y is equal to 0, y is equal to plus minus plus 1, it becomes minus 1. Okay, now the coordinate of b, coordinates of b x comma y is nothing but b minus 5 minus 1. It is the answer for this. Try this. Okay, now it's time to explain this example 13. Example 13. So here, look after here, in what ratio does the point, here in this sum we have to find out this ratio. Up to here ratio we know, but in this sum we have to find out this ratio of the point already given, that is p of minus 4, 6. Divide the line segment joining the points a, b. Okay, so now we have to find out this ratio. In the section formula, I just remind this, in this section formula we have to find out this point, but he was given this a, b points as well as this ratio. But in this example 13 we have to find out this ratio and he was given this point. Okay, how? So let us do. So solution for this, given that the points are a minus 6 comma 10, b 3 comma minus 8. Let us take these values as usual, x1 y1, x2 y2, and the point on a line segment of AB is P of minus 4 comma 6, and we have to find out this ratio. The ratio of P which divides AB is m1 is to m2. Okay, so let us check. So what is P? The coordinates of P is this one. So section formula, so m1 x2 plus m2 already just remind this one. So in the section formula, so that is equal to the coordinates of P is minus 4 comma 6, already he was given. So the next one m1 we don't know, x2 where 3, m1 we don't know, right? m1 is m1, so m1 x2 is 3 plus m2 we don't know, x1 minus 6 by, okay, so m1 plus m2. Just like this you have to write this one also. So y2 minus 8 plus m2, y1 is 10 by m1 plus m2. Here it was minus 4, 6. that is equal to here 3m1 plus of minus minus 6m2 by m1 plus m2 comma here minus 8m1 plus 10m2 by m1 plus m2. So let us take any one of these x coordinates or y coordinates, enough. No need of taking this just like this. No need of taking x coordinates or equating y coordinates or equating. Any one. If you want to check, you can take. Okay, you can take. So x coordinates I am equating. That implies 3m1 minus 6m2 by m1 plus m2, that is equal to minus 4. It is only for verification. Okay, only for verification I am doing. No need of this one. Okay, minus 8m1 plus 10m2 by m1 plus m2 is equal to 6. That implies, first of all we will do this. Okay, 3m1 minus 6m2 is equal to, just take this one here, minus 4 m1 plus m2. That implies 3m1 minus 6m2 is equal to minus 4m1 minus 4m2. So we just bring this minus 4m1 into this side and this one into other side. That implies 3m1 plus 4m1 is equal to minus 4m2 plus 6m2. I'll bring all the m1s into one side and m2s into other side. That implies 3m1 plus 4m1, 7m1 is equal to, here 6m2 minus 4m2, that is 2m2. Okay, we just bring this 7 into other side and not this one, m2 into this side. Okay, m2 into this side. So m1 by m2 is equal to 2 by 7. Okay, that implies m1 is to m2 is equal to 2 is to 7. It is the ratio. Let us check from here also. That implies here minus 8m1 plus 10m2 is equal to 6 of m1 plus m2. That implies minus 8m1 plus 10m2 is equal to 6m1 plus 6m2. That implies, so m1s into one side, right? m1s into one side. So that is equal to minus 8m1 minus 6m1. That is equal to here 6m2 minus 10m2. That implies minus 14m1 is equal to minus 4m2. That implies, so m1 you just keep here, m2 you just bring in this direction. Okay, minus 14 into other. So m1 by m2 is equal to minus 4 by minus 14. Minus minus cancelled. In 2 table it is 2 times, it is 7 times. That implies m1 is to m2 is equal to 2 is to 7. Here we have verified. No need of doing this 2, only 1 you can do in this in your exam. Okay, so here the ratio of the P which divides the line segment is m1 is to m2. That implies 2 is to 7. That is the solution for this example 13. Okay, up to here we finished now example 13. In the next part of this coordinate geometry, I will explain from this think and discuss, and it is all. Then we will start this 7.2. Thank you.